Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing and do not forget to like this video, leave your comments in the comment section and share this video to your friends, share to your families, okay? And to you, my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing to this channel. You're highly welcome to this amazing community. On this channel we do food and mukbang. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy delicious looking coconut jollof rice. Like, this is the best coconut jollof rice I've had so far. So if you want to know how I made this coconut jollof rice, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Please do not forget to like this video, show this videos love, okay? And if you want to go extra mile in showing your girls some love, you can click on that thanks button, okay? Click on the thanks button and of course show your girls some love. So guys, without wasting much time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this. So guys, these are the list of ingredients I'll be using to prepare this coconut jollof rice. This is another assignment from Hilda Bass's class, and I want you to watch to the end and then give me your sincere rating, okay? Be sincere in your ratings. Call me in the comment section. So now I have my goat meat here. I'm using goat meat. I've washed it already. I have my chopped onions, my tomato paste. This is Sonia tomato paste. I have crayfish here. I'm not using much crayfish because I don't want the crayfish taste to overshadow the rice. I have my vanilla essence, sorry, my coconut essence. I'm using a coconut essence. And for my coconut, I'm using the raw coconut like this one. I'm not using the coconut store-bought coconut milk. I'm going to be blending this and extracting the milk by myself, okay? And it's even cheaper. Like the store one, I think is 1 2 I used to buy it, the coconut milk, but this one I bought it for 300. That's 600 for the two. So this is my jollof meat. This is my tomato, shombo, tatashi, pepper and onions, ginger and garlic. So that's what makes up my jollof mix. Just boil everything together and blend it, okay? And then I have my pepper I'll be using to cook my goat meat. I have my vegetable oil. You get to see the rest of the things as we go on. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. So guys, I will start now by cooking my goat meat, and this meat is frozen. So I'm going to be adding in my pepper. I'm not going to be cooking this meat with much pepper because already I have pepper in my jollof meat. So I'm not going to be using much pepper, just enough to cook the meat and bring out the taste of the meat. I'll be going in with my onions, my chopped onions. And then I'll go in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to be adding in water and I'll cover this pot now and allow it to cook for some time. I'm not going to be stirring it because the meat is frozen. I'll come back and then I will stir. Enough water for my meat and my stock because I need the stock too to cook my rice. So now I'm going to cover the pot, then allow to cook for some time. Then I'll come back to stir. So guys, while the meat is cooking, I'll be preparing my coconut. And now it's time for me to stir the meat. I'm just going to stir it very well to properly combine everything together. I will then cover this pot and allow the meat to cook until the meat is well cooked. Okay. So now guys, our meat is cooked. I'm going to be frying this meat, though Hilda didn't fry her meat, but I'm going to be frying my meat and I'll be using the oil to cook my rice. If at this point you have not liked this video, why now? What are you waiting for? Like the video and subscribe. Do not forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, I'm just going to stir this and then I'll bring it down and start frying the meat. So now I have my pots, okay, my dried pot. I'm going to be adding in my vegetable oil. I'm just going to allow this oil to heat up and then I will come back. And now that our oil is hot, I'm going to be adding in my garlic for some extra flavor, okay? And then I'll be going in with my meat. So guys, the meat is fried. I do not want it too dry, like this is okay for me, but if you want to fry your own more, you can go ahead to fry it more, okay? So I'm just going to bring it out now and then we'll continue cooking our jollof rice. So guys, I didn't know that the part I added my onions, my thyme and garlic powder did not show. Like I saw it when I was editing this video and my heart was broken. So this my onions, thyme and curry powder in here. So right now I'm going to be adding in my tomato paste. Then I'm going to let this to fry. Okay, I fried this for 12 minutes because I timed it. Okay, I started frying around 5:15 and I came back I think around 5:27. Yes, so that's total of 12 minutes. I fried it for 12 minutes on low heat, like not really low heat, medium to low heat. Okay. So now I'll be going in with my jollof mix. Our tomato paste has fried. Like I said, I fried it for 12 minutes. Okay, I timed it. That's why I'm telling you with my food chest that I fried it for 12 minutes. So now I'll be going in with my jollof mix. This jollof mix have tomato, pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, tatashi, and shombo in it. Okay, just boil everything down and blend. So I'm just going to stir everything together, and I'm going to fry it for some minutes. Okay, so now I'll be adding in my coconut essence, and then I'm going to be mixing this. Okay, I'm just going to stir to mix everything together. I'll go in with my crayfish, and then I will still mix everything together to properly combine. I'll be adding in my meat stock now, and then I'll be going in with my coconut milk. To make your own homemade coconut milk, get your coconut, break it, separate the meat from the coconut shell, cut into cubes, put it in your blender, and then add in water slightly above the coconut and blend. Then use hot water to extract the coconut milk. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube. So I'm just going to stir everything to properly combine. Okay, and then I'll be testing for more salt, and it's okay, everything is okay. So I'll just cover the pot, allow this to come to a boil before adding in my rice. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not given this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, so now I'll be going in with my rice. I'm just going to stir it one more time before adding in my rice. So now I'm going to be adding in my washed rice. And then I'm going to be stirring this so that the rice can marry very well with everything in there. Okay, and then I'll be covering this pot now to allow this to cook. Okay, I'll still come back after 12 minutes to check on the rice. So guys, this is 12 minutes later, and then I'm going to be flipping this rice. The essence of this flipping is so that the one down can come up and the one up can go down. This is to allow the rice to cook evenly. Okay, and for all the spices and seasonings that you use for this rice to spread on the rice evenly. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, that is it. I'm just going to be flipping it like so, like you are seeing it now. The one up going down and the one down coming up. Okay, I will cover this and then I'll allow this to cook. I'll be doing this in three stages. This is the first flip a turn, so I will come back again to repeat the same thing. And guys, this is the second one. I'm going to be flipping it now. So this is the second flip a turn I'll be doing. Just repeat the process, flip up, and then that's it. The one up, take it down. The one down, bring it up. You can see how yummy this rice is looking already. Like by this time, the aroma in this kitchen is so heavenly. Even without having a taste of this rice, you know that the rice is looking so delicious. Like it's going to taste so delicious. The taste is out of this world. Believe me, guys. Not because I'm the one that cooked it, but because it's the reality. So I'm just going to cover the pot again and I'll allow the rice to cook. And guys, look how yummy this rice is looking already. So this is the last flip turn I'll be doing. Just going to flip everything. Okay, look how yummy this rice is looking. Even without having a taste of this coconut jollof rice, you will know that it's going to be delicious. Like this coconut jollof rice came out so delicious. My friend came to the house and she had a taste of this rice. Like she was like, Chidera, I've been eating your coconut jollof rice and I've not had anyone like this. Can imagine that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to rate me. This is my assignment. Do not forget that this is my assignment and I need you to rate me. Okay, leave your thoughts for me in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know too in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time guys, bye.